Hey guys, it's Alexis and Christina.
What is it?
Today we are going to the fair and we are gonna go on some rides. We made slime. It's gonna be a crazy night. So,
let's just get started.
Yep, let's just get started. So if you guys want to check out my slime first, it's right here. You can show them.
Oh yeah, by the way, it's my YouTube channel.
Okay, so yeah, I'm just here for sleepover, and this is our one and only first YouTube video. So this is the slime I made. Turned out terrible. It really did. Okay, it started out white, and then we just added color.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so. And I will show you Christina's slime. It's really cool. You can hand me that.
Got it?
Mm-hmm.
And this is fluffy slime, and also Lexus is fluffy slime.
And all you need to do is glue.
All you need is glue,
eye contact lotion,
baking soda,
Tide,
and water.
and water, and
You don't need Tide. You need
It's-
baking soda.
yeah, that's
Yeah.
Tide.
No, it's
And-
not. Tide calls it Tide.
Okay, and the coloring is optional, and also the shaving cream.
Yeah.
It just makes it fluffier.
And you can also use soap for
Yep.
fluffy slime.
Yeah.
And what's
And this is our other slime.
that I gave her
You can show them.
after you get the container.
Okay. Yep. This is like blue.
Yeah. It's like a
That did not
turquoise.
work out.
It's like kind of like a turquoise,
Yeah.
but it's like a sky blue.
Yeah. And if you guys want, we are gonna record overnight.
Mm-hmm.
Do the 3 a.m. challenge, maybe, only maybe. Comment down below if we do it. Then comment down below if you want us to do a part 2.
And comment down below what's your favorite slime of all three of them.
Yep. So, and actually, I want you guys to comment down below which, say this is cotton candy. Guess what these are named. So we should show them our bedroom.
Actually, mine. It's
Yeah.
my bedroom. So, but
Guys,
she's just
if
coming
you
over
guys
for a
didn't know,
sleepover.
We are not sisters. We just look a lot alike.
Oh, there it is. There's my shirt.
Okay. So,
This is terrific. Oh my God.
by opening the door,
Okay.
you walk in to this entrance, and
And
there's
there's like a
secret
bed.
way.
There's a little secret in here, but it's a little bit dark.
It might be dark.
Can I be in front? It's dark and you can barely see it, by the way, so sorry guys.
Yep.
And this is the ladder that you climb up, and there's also stairs.
Yeah, there's stairs, but this is just like a secret way.
And yeah, there's the
We're
bed.
going to sleep on this today.
And this is the amazing
Comment
ceiling.
down below also what time it is right now.
Yeah. You really need to know.
Okay. So,
And we're just enjoying some gummy bears.
no, take one at a time. Okay. Comment down below also if you have these, if you ever tried these. Any gummy.
They're Diet Coke gummies.
Yep. Okay. So, let me pause the video right now and say, can we get 10 likes on this video? If we can, we will post another part 2 on this 3 a.m.
Yeah. And what should we do?
I don't know. We'll ask the other people to decide. Okay, guys.
So yeah. Bye, guys.
10 likes. No, we're still going. Oh. Wow. Okay, so this is awkward.